In this video, we're going to learn or relearn how to multiply fractions. It comes from lesson 2.3. Here we have the fraction, 1/2 times 4/5. What we do is we multiply numerator by numerator. One times 4 is 4. Then we multiply denominator times denominator. That's 4/10, and then of course we always reduce it to simplest terms, which would be 2/5. Pretty straightforward. But now what if you want to multiply mixed numbers? With mixed numbers, there's an added step. Number 1 is you convert the mixed number into an improper fraction. So let me do that with 2 3/5. So 2 times 5 is 10, add the 3. So 2 3/5 now is converted to 13/5. And then you would do the same thing with 1 1/2. 1 times 2 is 2, plus 1 is 3. So times 3/2. And if you've forgotten how to do that, just pause this, open up another tab, go on over to Khan Academy. You need to know how to do this fluently. Then it's multiply as usual. So multiply the numerator times the numerator, multiply denom times denom. I'd like to add a little bonus material. Here you see I've multiplied our normal way, 4/9 times 3/5, which equals 12/45, and then I reduced it to 4/15. There's actually a way that you can do all of your simplest terming in the problem itself. I'm going to show you that. It is the object of our next lesson. But what you can do is you can look to see if we could do something called cross-canceling. So you're looking for a denominator and a numerator that have the same greatest common factor. So in fact, I see that 9 and 3 both have a common factor of 3. So I can actually do the dividing right now. 3 goes into 3 once. 3 goes into 9 3 times. 4 and 5 don't have any common factors, so I just multiply as usual. 4 and then 3 times 5 is 15. Did that make sense? I'm going to run through the process again with our original problem, 1/2 times 4/5. So it would be numerator and denominator combination. So 1 and 5, nothing. But I'm noticing 2 and 4, they both have a common factor of 2. So I can go ahead and reduce ahead of time. 2 goes into itself 1 time. 2 goes into 4 2 times. Now we multiply out 1 times 2 and then 1 times 5. So you can see we come up with the same answer, just doing the reducing beforehand. So this was actually a lesson on how to multiply fractions with a little bonus material of using cross cancellation.